of you. Welcome back to course Big Data Analytics and Business Intelligence. So our today's topic of video is BI roles and responsibility. So in the previous video we discussed about the role of data warehouse in a business intelligence, and finally we are going to discuss what are the different roles available in business intelligence field and what are the responsibility for that particular role. So that we are going to discuss in this particular video. So that roles are majorly divided into two categories. One is a program roles, and second one is a project roles. So one by one we try to understand what are the different program roles are there. So BI is a very important thing. We already understand how BI helps to improve your business, improve the productivity of a business. So in that case, a number of tasks are involved. Means it is not a case that only one person who is handling each and every process. In case of a BI is a complete process. It involves a number of people. So a number of people are involved, and they are designated. They are given as a particular role. So that role we are going to discuss over here. Very first is a BI program manager. Okay, BI program manager means, just imagine a particular business or a particular client for which we are developing a BI system. So first of all, that BI program manager who is there who is responsible for managing all the process. Then BI data architect is there, who is responsible for deciding what are the deciding or identifying the efficient data sources related to particular business. For example, any e-commerce industry is there. So in that case, BI data architect is responsible for deciding what are the different sources of a data which is required in order to generate this BI system for this e-commerce industry. How many resources are there, how to extract the data. Means related to this, that person is responsible for architecting a data requirement. Then BI ETL architect. BI ETL architect is another role that can be played by particular employee. So BI ETL architect is responsible for deciding the ETL process, how ETL process works for that particular data. So in that case, what kind of tool we need to use, because a number of ETL tools are available in the market. So as by considering the requirement of particular business, which tool is suitable for that situation, that will be decided by this BI ETL architect. And that ETL architect is also responsible for performing this ETL process, extraction, transformation, and load it into a data warehouse. So that is what a responsibility of ETL architect. Then BI technical architect is there. First of all, they need to decide the architecture of a BI, and that BI architecture is going to vary slightly from business to business depending on requirement to requirement. So BI technical architect is responsible for designing the complete architecture of a BI. Then there will be a metadata manager. You already know what is metadata. Metadata is nothing but a data about a data, because in this case we are maintaining a huge amount of data in a data warehouse. So in that case, what kind of metadata we have to maintain, how it can be used, that will be decided by this metadata manager. And in order to manage complete process, there will be a BI administrator. This is what another role is available, which is responsible for managing the complete process. So these are different program roles are available in BI domain. Then we discuss about the project roles. What are the different project roles are there? Then there will be a business manager who is responsible for gathering the client, identifying the client. That is a business manager. Then BI business specialist, who is mostly dealing with this particular business which is identified by business manager. Then BI project manager is there. I think we already discussed about this BI project manager, who is handling the complete project related to particular business. Just I have taken the example of e-commerce. For example, e-commerce industries, take an example of Amazon. Amazon wants to develop their BI tool, BI process. They want to use BI in order to improve their business. So in that case, BI project manager, one manager will be assigned who take care of this complete project. Then business requirement analyst will be there. This person is very important, because he is a person who is dealing with that client and try to understand what are their requirement, what is their requirement, what are their expectation, what are their goals, objective of developing this BI. So business requirement, getting the requirement is very important task. Then decision support analyst, that is responsible for final after BI is going to extract the knowledge and information, how that information knowledge will be helpful in business decision making. So that is decided by this decision support analyst. Then BI designer is there, and finally ETL specialist is there. So these are the various different roles which are related to BI, business intelligence, and different responsibilities are there. Thank you.